do something
Shut the
about
fuck
this,
up,
man.
Jackie. We gotta think.
You gotta think.
Shut up, both of you! Winston's gone. Right now, we gotta stick together.
We just can't let the 18K get away with this.
What makes you so sure it was 18K?
We all saw them. They were definitely 18K. Even stupid Jackie knows that.
You ever think maybe they were just trying to look like 18K? Look, we've had a few skirmishes with them lately, but nothing major. It doesn't make sense that they would do something this big.
Man, so who do you think it was?
I don't know, but I'm gonna find out. And who the fuck are you?
I'm here for Mr. Lee. I take it you've heard of Big Smile Lee.
He's another Sun On Yee boss, Red Bull, just like Winston.
Okay, what can we do for Mr. Lee?
He has decided that for the time being, you may continue your operations in this area. But the percentage previously paid to Winston will now go to Mr. Lee.
That's an interesting proposition. But I have a counteroffer from Mr. Lee. I'd appreciate if you relay this back to him word for word. Can you do that? You tell Mr. Lee that his people stay the fuck out of our territory, and in return, we'll let him live.
I don't think you'll find that offer to his liking.
I think you'll find that I don't give a fuck. You see our guest out, make sure he doesn't get lost.
You'll regret this. I promised you that.
Get the car! Dad! Get the car! Step on it!
Yeah.
Don't let him get away, man! No way you get away clean, Ponytail! No way! Come on! Come on! Stop! Move! Move!
You little more! Huh?
You're done. Are you done? I'm gonna break your face.
Tell your boss, stay the fuck out of my territory.
Fuck you, eh?
Damn it! You are in big trouble. Ah, shit. Just what I needed. Who the fuck are you guys?
Change your tone, Shane. Miss Yang is a Red Pole, and she just saved your life.
Miss Jang? Broken Nose Jang? My apologies, Madame Red Pole. So why'd